Hello everyone, today we are going to find tangent line and normal line of the function. As you know from here, I have already write here tangent line equations of tangent line and normal lines, and our function is y equal a cosecant x plus bx plus c. Let's begin to find our function. For finding tangent line and normal line, as you see from our equation, we should find the derivatives, and we have to give initial values to them. And we have taken as y0, y initial as n, and x initial as m, and we are beginning to find here derivative of a function. Then we give the initial value or f3 m equal minus e cotangent m multiply cosecant m plus b, and then we plug in everything in place with our tangent lines equation and then normal lines equation. So everything is good, but does they work? Is it enough for finding tangent line normal line? Because as you know, tangent line is the line which is tangent to a function, and normal line is the line which is perpendicular to function. For proving that our answer is correct, let's begin to graphing. For graphing, we'll use GeoGebra. Let's start graphing. So, firstly, we have to write our functions itself. Our function is equal as you know, if x equal equal a multiply cosecant cosecant 6 plus b times x and plus c. Let's see. As you see, our function is like this. Then, as I said, we have to give initial values to our x and our m, because as you know, from here in our equations, our derivatives and if also if zero their initial values. Therefore, we'll give initial value x as m and y as or f0 as n. Then we write everything in our function. Here you see as m and n will implement like this: a multiply cosecant m plus, let's do it like this, plus b times m plus c, and then let's write our function for tangent line. Let's write what's written here. You know, I have just plugged in I have finding the values, because here you see f0, and we say f0 where it says initial value of y, and we take it as here n, and we'll write it just here. Therefore, gx equal n plus, let me write it here, minus 8 times, right, 8 times cotangent m multiply cosecant m plus b multiply x minus m. Okay, it should be our tangent line. As you see, it is tangent to our function, but we'll of course play this play and change our constant number. But let me first write our also normal line. As you know, normal line is perpendicular to our function, so it will be perpendicular our tangent line also. It should be perpendicular. Okay, therefore let's write this also. Hx equals n minus 1 over minus a times cotangent m multiply cosecant m plus b times x minus m. First I want to show you that I just write what I have written here and I just write it here. As you see, these two lines, as we say, they are also perpendicular to each other. Now let's change values of jx and of a normal line and tangent lines. Let's see what's going on here. Let's make it a bit smaller in order to see. You see, they are always perpendicular to each other, and our blue line is our tangent line, and the red line is our uh, normal line, and they are always perpendicular to each other, and also one is tangent and another one is perpendicular. Thank you very much.